Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Want to Step. In today's video, I'm going to help you learn how to delete your Discord server on your mobile and on your PC. If you're watching us for the first time, subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. In order to delete one of your Discord server on your mobile, go grab your mobile device first and then go to your Discord application and tap it open. If you're not signed into your account, make sure you are first. Once you're in, go to the upper left corner and tap on the hamburger menu and you'll be able to see your servers that you've joined and your own server at the left hand side corner. Simply tap on one of the servers that you'd like to delete, and once you select a server, tap on the three dots at the upper right. From the options, select Settings. Under your server settings page, tap on the three dots at the upper right one more time. And you'll be able to see a menu that says Delete Server. Tap on Delete Server and from the pop-up, select Delete. Soon after you do that, your Discord server on your mobile phone will be deleted. Now let's head over to our PC and try deleting that server right now. In order to delete a Discord server on your PC, first go open your PC and then click on the Discord application Open. Sign into your Discord account, and once you're in, go select your server you'd like to delete. Once you select your server, give it a click. Now, click on Server Settings and click on Overview. Once you do that, your Overview page will open. Now click on Delete Server at the left-hand side menu. If you want to delete your server, then you'll need to enter your server's name. Go and enter the server's name in the text field that appears and click on Delete Server. Once you do that, your server will be deleted. You could go ahead and choose a reason why you are deleting your server, and after you do that, you'll be able to delete your server on your Discord easily. That is how you can do it. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll see you soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.